Welcome back to Dad Deals for more things you should be buying over at Harbor Freight in April 2025. We have some brand new coupons that just dropped following the Spring Black Friday that just ended. Hopefully you got everything that you wanted during that sale, and I'm going to cover all the rest of the coupons for the rest of the month of April. So as always, please give the video a like if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right in on the deals. So first up, we have the Icon G2 ratchets have started hitting stores. These new ratchets really take them up an extra level and really put them head on against Snap-on. So if you've been waiting for these, now is the time. They should be in your stores right now or very soon. Also, another new item hitting stores, and the next meme tool or meme item, I guess you would say, is the Harbor Freight trucker hat. This was released exclusively to employees not too long ago, but it is now available to everyone else, and expect these to be popular. They are sold out in my local store, but these are extremely reasonably priced at just $7, so you can show your love for Harbor Freight everywhere. I don't have any insider information on this, but if I had to guess, I bet this will be a free item one weekend, but who knows when that will be. So if you want one of these hats, $7 is a very reasonable price, and if you can find one, I would recommend grabbing one. So first up, the Fast and Strong items. Those are going to be your nails, especially for your nail guns. They have a bulk buy savings going on these, where if you buy 2 or more items, you can save 20%. So we don't see this deal often. It's pretty rare to see this. So if you need to stock up on some brad nails, staples, here's a great way to save 20%. So first up on the coupons, these are the dollar day coupons where stuff is generally under $10. But here for just $1, we have the Greenwood hose menders. So if you have any old hoses laying around that might have damaged ends, these are great for repairing old hoses. You can also resize hoses with these. So if maybe you're setting up sort of an above ground sprinkler system for your lawn or garden, a few of these and at just $1 a piece can get you up and set up and running. Another dollar item are these Warrior magnetic bit holders. Obviously, most bit sets come with these. You probably have a bunch of them. But if you're like me, I always end up losing these. So getting some extras for just $1 is a nice deal. They also have these old school clips. These kind of remind me of elementary school on the chalkboards they used to have. But this is a 3-piece set of these bulldog clips. They're just $1 as well. Some Pittsburgh diagonal cutters are just $2. The Merlin pistol grip blowgun is $3. If all you have is one of those small metal blowguns, those are great, but this is a nice upgrade. It really feels comfortable and more substantial in your hand and are great for just cleaning work surfaces or anything else you're working on. While not the greatest hook set in the world, this 20-piece set from Storehouse is just $4. There's a wide selection of different hooks here for hanging paintbrushes or any other small tools that you might have. A utility blade dispenser with 10 blades is just $1 as well. If you do a lot of electrical work, you can never have enough of these wire connectors. Here's an assortment pack, a 158-piece set for $3. Some high-performance safety glasses that also have UV protection are just $3. If you got yourself a new U.S. General cabinet recently, you can get the non-slip liners for just $5 for a 72-inch roll. You also have the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch and 1/4-inch drive standard and metric socket set, a 40-piece set. Kind of a nice small set to keep in the car, something like that, just $5. And then the multi-bit precision screwdriver set. It's a 34-piece set. Comes in a nice case with a clear top. I love the extension here. The flexible extension is really nice. It even comes with a little magnifying glass, but this is $6. I really like this price here. This is a great price on the Hercules Impact Driver bit set. It's a 45-piece set here. These are really high-quality bits. Of course, impact rated. You're getting the magnetic bit holders as well, and this set is $17. That's 32% off the normal price. I did wish it would come with a clear top case, but still a very nice bit set. You have the Central Pneumatic 100-foot steel air hose reel for $20, sort of an open style here. Some PB Blaster is just $5. I usually get this stuff when they have the everything under $10, but this is 28% off, so you're pretty much right there. So if you need some of this, just $5. You also have some shop towels, a 50-pack for $9. A color-coded deep socket set from Pittsburgh. This is the Pro Level 1/4-inch drive for $8. Some Icon really long reach needle nose pliers for $16. Great price, almost 30% off there. These Bauer combo kits are really great deals. This one's kind of funny. It comes with a leaf blower along with a bunch of other woodworking hand tools. I don't know how that leaf blower fits in there, but hey, you're getting 6 tools. You're getting 2 batteries, a 3 amp hour and a 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger. So a nice entrance into that Bauer system there. And then they also have the 2-tool drill driver combo kit here with two 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger for $100. The Braun 700 lumen headlamp is $20. This is rechargeable, so it doesn't take any batteries. Another assortment set here is a 200-piece set of some self-drilling screws for $7. So a great time to stock up. Franklin moving blankets. These are the extra large version. These are really nice at $14. I always keep one of these in the back of my truck. So if I'm hauling something, I don't want to get scratched up like an electric bike, anything like that, I can use this to set it on. These vacuum storage bags are actually really awesome. It's a 3-pack here for $3.50, basically a little over $1 each. But they can really help you if you have any travel plans coming up, help you maximize that storage. The silver tarps are my favorite ones that they offer. Here's the 7-foot and 4-inch by 9-foot and 6-inch heavy-duty tarp for $7.50. Reciprocating saws make excellent pruners, especially if you're going to be digging up anything and you get into roots. A reciprocating saw can really help you in that situation. And here are some pruning blades, which is great at just $7. You really want to use cheap blades when doing that stuff, but this can really get you out of a bind if you're dealing with a lot of roots. These wet dry vac accessory sets that Harbor Freight sells under the Bauer brand are amazing. They have both of them on sale right now. Here's the premium auto detailing kit that comes with a much upgraded hose than probably anything your wet dry vac comes with, as well as a ton of different nozzles for cleaning out your car at just $20. That's insane. That's a great deal. And then they also have the micro cleaning kit that comes with really tiny nozzles for getting those nooks and crannies in your car at just $6. So you can get both of these for just $26. That's way cheaper than you'll get anywhere else. And these are great buys. You also have a Gordon sharpening stone for $2.30. You can sharpen your chisels, your bits, pretty much anything with these. They also have this nice US General adjustable plier rack. You can fit up to 15 pliers in here for just $13. The Hercules 17-inch tool tote has 19 pockets. One of my favorite uses for this is sort of a grilling or griddling caddy. If you get the official Blackstone version or any of the other versions, those are really expensive. This works just as well. Gives you all the pockets for your spices and tools. And this is just $28 right now. A nice instant savings price on this extreme foaming spray gun from Grant's. It is $15. So you don't need a pressure washer with this. You can just use it on a garden hose and get that foaming action. The next deals are for Inside Track Club members only. That's their yearly subscription. And first up, we have fans. They have this nice pedestal fan for $120. You can also get the floor fan that comes on wheels. That's the same price. But these are going to be hot items, no pun intended, as soon as that hot weather starts hitting as we get closer to summertime. So it's a good time to pick one of these up when it's on sale. You also have the US General end lockers are $100 off at $300, available in any of those colors. The Bauer belt and disc sander is on sale for $90. I love these steel sawhorses. They're super sturdy and very easy to fold up and store. These have a 600-pound capacity, but they're just $20 each. Flap discs under the Hercules brand are 50% off. These are just $6. These are really great for sharpening lawnmower blades. That's mainly what I use mine for. They also have US General magnetic socket holders to keep everything nice and organized. You can get these in either standard or metric for $15. They have the Bauer bench grinder and belt sander for $150. A Voyager 20-inch rolling tool bag for $23. So if you like to roll around your tools like a suitcase, this is a good option. And then this is really the last call for this dump cart. This rarely goes on sale. And $100 is a great price. That's how much I got mine for probably 7-8 years ago. So with inflation and tariffs and all that stuff, $100 for this is a great price. It is a lot to assemble, so prepare yourself for that. But if you have a riding lawnmower or riding tractor, these are great for like spreading mulch or dirt or anything like that. But that's it. Those are all the deals for the rest of April. Again, please like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.